We're going to install a remote starter with full keyless entry on a 2006 Honda CR-V. The kit can be purchased in several different configurations. It can be assembled using the RS4 G5, the RS3 G5, the RS1 G5, the RS7 G5, and it is fully compatible to work simultaneously with the MyCar smartphone controller. The first wire is the negative parking light trigger. This is a blue wire on the alarm plug. The second connection is an orange wire. This is a horn connection, and it is banded up there or plugged into an alarm module if your vehicle is equipped with a factory alarm. This is our door lock data connection. The wire with a posi tap on it is blue with an orange trace. We're going to make our door lock data wire connection here. Looking at our door lock data wire connection from the bottom where it plugs into the module, you can see the pin position. And again, it's blue with an orange trace. Keep in mind, all the connections must be made to both the ignition, the immobilizer, and you have to have the system grounded, and everything must be plugged in. You have to have the module plugged into the data port of the unit before attempting to program the device. Both of our T-harnesses are plugged in. Our remote starter is grounded. We've made our door lock data wire connection at the keyless entry module on the blue wire with an orange stripe. We're going to go ahead and we're going to program our module. Programming the module is simple. We're going to use the light on the module for feedback. We're going to place the key in the ignition and turn the ignition to the run position. The light will turn red, then it will turn green, and then it will go out. This is indication that the module is programmed. We're now going to shut the key off and remove it from the ignition. So we're looking at the driver's door lock. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lock the doors. Now we still have our priority unlock. I'm going to press the unlock button once. The driver's door is going to unlock, and then on the second press, the rest of the doors will unlock. There's the driver, and there's the passenger and the rest of the doors. We're in the back of the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and pop the rear glass. After making the tachometer connection, we're going to program the tachometer reference to the remote starter control module. We're going to start the engine with the key. If we have a high idle, we're going to wait until the idle drops before we do anything. We're going to let the engine idle drop to its normal level, around 1,000 RPMs or less. When we reach the desired RPM level, we're going to press and release the program button on the RS module 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to wait. The unit will click back 5 times. Now we're going to press the button 1 time. The unit will click. Now we have to have the brake signal connected. In order for this to work, we're going to press and hold the brake until the unit clicks again. Then we're going to release the brake. The tachometer reference is now programmed in the module.